Hi, Al, Ask the Pool Guy here. Was asked another question recently about how would I convert a traditional swimming pool into a salt pool. And a salt pool, for those of you that don't know what that is, it's a system that allows us to add salt to the water, and that salt, dissolved salt in the water, creates the chlorine. And it's a closed loop that the system creates chlorine. The chlorine is the oxidizer, destroys the contaminants in the water, reconnects and creates salt in water again, and it's a repetitive loop, so you're not constantly adding chemicals. Several advantages, since we're talking about several advantages. Number one is you don't have a lot of pH bounce. Your pH doesn't change nearly as much because you're not constantly adding. If you're adding chlorine, which is a very low pH, it's dropping the pH in the water, and other chemicals are raising it. When you're not adding those chemicals all the time, you get a much stabler pH. Number one. Number two, it's conditioned water, so it's a lot softer on your skin. It's if you have a water conditioner at home, say a water softener, you feel the difference in the water, and that's exactly what you have as well. Plus, it's a little easier on the eyes, and you don't have the spikes of chemicals. But how you do it is there are several commercial units available, and it's a matter of cutting into the plumbing and putting a unit plumbed into the system, and then it does require a little bit of wiring. Depends on your system as to this is something that needs power. And then beyond that, it's a matter of dissolving the amount of salt that's needed per the water amount. So if you have 20,000 gallons of water, you're going to dissolve X number of pounds of salt. If you have 30,000, it's going to be 50% more salt. So you need to know how much water you have in your pool, and then you need to have a system plumbed in, and then a little bit of electrical work done.